सुंदर देश है जहां ऊंची इमारतें और हरे भरे जंगल हैं। यहाँ के लोग मिलनसार हैं और पेट्रोनास ट्विन टावर बहुत प्रसिद्ध है।
Welcome to the beautiful city of Malaysia. Come with me as we explore and have so much fun. Superstars, let's go! Are you ready?
It's little beats in KL City. Every building looks so pretty. We can dance and move our bodies. Shake it, move it, move it. Oh, we're in Malaysia. Oh, it's truly Asia. Oh, come on and dance with us. Hey, put your right hand in, put your left leg up, shake your body to the side, roll your shoulder to the right and slide. Bounce, 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 little bit bounce. Little beats in KL City, with all the food sits oh so tasty. Let's enjoy the party. Shake it, move it, move it. Clap, 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 clap. Hey, oh, we're in
Known for its diversity, harmony and vibrant traditions, the graceful movement, lively rhythm and colorful expressions reflect the unity of Malaya, Chinese, Indian and indigenous culture, living together as one. This performance perfectly captured the joy, warmth and cultural pride of Malaysia. Let's give the big round of applause to our talented performers for bringing the spirit of Malaysia alive on the stage.